Hello friends, this is Ajni Kumar. Welcome to 9 So, I want to continue from the previous session, and the next modern machining tools category is hobbing machine. Hobbing machine is similar to a milling machine in that a rotating cutter performs the cutting action. However, they allow for simultaneous movement of both the cutter and the product being machined. This unique capability makes hobbing ideal for 3D machining applications that require uniform tooth profiles. Gear cutting is one of the most common applications for modern hobbing machines. Next one is honing machines, also known as hones, consist largely of one or more rotating tips that, in metalworking, enlarge holes to a precise diameter and improve surface finish. The types of honing machines include handheld, manual, and automatic. Products manufactured with the help of honing include engine cylinders and air bearing spindles, whereas a hobbing machine cuts the external teeth of gear. Modern gear shapers fabricate internal gear teeth. This is accomplished using a reciprocating cutter that has the same pitch as the gear being cut. Modern gear shapers allow for increased precision by employing forward stroke engagement and backward stroke disengagement. So next one is planers. Planers are large sized shaping machines that move the actual metal product as opposed to moving the cutting mechanism. The result is similar to that of a milling machine, making planers ideal for shaping flat or long surfaces. Modern milling machines are somewhat superior to planers in most applications. However, planers are still beneficial when extremely large metal components require squaring off. Grinders. Next one is grinders. Grinders are modern machining tools that use an abrasive wheel to create fine finishes or faint cuts. Depending on the specific grinder, the abrasive wheel or product is moved from side to side to achieve the desired finish. Types of grinders include belt grinders, bench grinders, cylindrical grinders, surface grinders, and jig grinders. Next one is broaching machine. A broaching machine or broach uses tall chisel points to apply linear shearing and scraping motions to the given material. Broaches are often used to create non-circular shapes out of holes that have been previously punched in the metal. They also cut splines and keyways on gears and pulleys. Rotary broachers are a unique subsection of broaching machines used in conjunction with a lathe to create a simultaneous horizontal and vertical cutting motion. So friends, this is all about the modern machining tools. Hope you understand. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box. So for now, it's time to say goodbye.